needed a birthday card in a big hurry, so no time to run around look for the perfect thing to paint. I guess like a flower would have been good. Well, anyway, I grabbed this nectarine and proceeded to attempt a fetching painting in watercolor, and did not seem to be, just bouncing into vivid reality that some quality painting, but rather than that, I did achieve this specimen. And, I decided it's passable and wrote happy birthday on the bottom, and there it is, birthday card in a hurry.